What does it take to become a rich man? Wealth, a term often synonymous with a luxurious lifestyle, financial freedom, and success, isn't merely the result of happenstance. It's the product of deliberate decisions, strategic planning, and consistent effort. First, imagine the process of wealth creation as a journey. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. The starting point? Financial education. Knowledge, as they say, is power. The more one understands about money, its functions, and how it works, the better equipped one is to make it work for them. So, embark on a journey of learning. Read books about finance, take online courses, attend seminars, and surround yourself with financially literate people. This forms the foundation of your wealth-building journey. Second, adopt a wealth mindset. This isn't about wishing or hoping for wealth, but truly believing in your ability to create it. It's about setting clear, achievable financial goals and having the discipline to stick to them. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. Third, master the art of saving and investing. Saving allows you to accumulate capital, and investing allows your money to work for you. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and strive to increase your assets while decreasing your liabilities. Look into various investment avenues such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Fourth, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on a single source of income. Find additional ways to earn money. This could be a side business, freelance work, or passive income from your investments. Remember, the key to wealth is not just earning more, but also having multiple sources of income. Fifth, be persistent. Wealth creation is a slow process, and it requires patience. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results. But remember, wealth is not built overnight. It's the result of long-term planning and consistent effort. In summary, wealth creation is a journey that begins with financial education and adopting a wealth mindset. It involves mastering the art of saving and investing, diversifying income streams, and being persistent. It's a process that requires patience, discipline, and strategic planning. But with the right mindset and approach, anyone can embark on this journey and achieve financial success. So ask yourself again, what does it take to become a rich man? It takes more than just money. It takes knowledge, a wealth mindset, strategic planning, and consistent effort. But most importantly, it takes a deep belief in oneself and the unwavering determination to achieve one's financial goals.